the above, and with the guidance from the National Task Force and the scientists, the government has revised the control measures to address the current situation as follows. Number one, all schools and institutions of higher learning to close for 42 days, effective 8 a.m., 7th of June, 2021. This school should close from tomorrow, all of them. From tomorrow, 8 a.m., school should close. The ones, all the schools that had been open, the finalists, as we call them, as we used to call them at Kiamate, the goers. All teachers to fully get vaccinated before they are accepted in schools. All the teachers must be vaccinated. The other day I saw one of my competitors, one of the presidential candidates, Mr. Kabureta. I had not seen that man. I got a chance to see him on TV. I had not seen him, although we were competing, but we didn't get a chance to exchange. But I saw him saying that employers have no right to force somebody to be vaccinated. I beg your pardon. If we are in a workplace and for health reasons we say that this is required and you don't do it, please, you don't come. We may not force you, but we may not force you to take the vaccine, but you shall not come to the workplace. So, presidential candidate Kabureta, please check your list of rights. Yes, you have got your right to boycott the vaccine, but we have also got a right to protect ourselves from you. So any teacher who is not vaccinated will not teach. Should not be allowed in the school. Communal prayers in mosques, churches, or in stadia and other open-air venues are suspended for 42 days. Ekigambo ekyo banange, that issue, I don't know why some people were insisting on opening these churches and mosques. Really, I am lucky. I have a bishop in my house. For the first time in 150 years, I had never had a bishop in my house since Christianity came in 1877. But one of my daughters is a bishop now, a pastor, Patience Kokondeka, Rwawogo. When they were opening, she asked my opinion. I said, please, 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 Patience, don't open that church, because God is in all places. You preach through the radio. And I'm glad my home-based bishop listened to my advice. So when they saw such a clear danger, is not correct. So communal prayers in mosques, churches, or stadia and other open-air venues are suspended for 42 days. Online prayers are encouraged. Public and cultural gatherings or conferences, except for the sitting of the cabinet, the legislature and judiciary, are hereby suspended for 42 days. We are talking of 42 days for scientific reasons. This idea that you must be in the church, that God is in the church or in the mosque. I've got some fundamentalist people here like Musenero. Musenero is one of the fundamentalists. Christians. Diana Twin is moderate type. I don't know the other fundamentalists, but Okia is also a fundamentalist. Okia, I had forced him to go for a master's because he had become a preacher. But he's doing more work now as a consultant. So you, please, I don't know where this idea came from of saying that God is in the mosque, that is in the church, because when I did my catechism, 1957, when I was in P5, in Runyankwere in Katesichimu, they said, Rahanga ariyo myanya yona. God is omnipresent. That's how they say it in English, omnipresent. So God, please, we'll hear you wherever you are. So please, this gathering our people, that house parties are strictly banned, and this would be enforced without fail. All guests, when you go to these marriage ceremonies of 20 people, wear masks and keep physical distance. Because you remember, I told you of the scientific wedding. I said, why do you bring all these people, all these irrelevant people, to the marriage? Because the marriage is just needed some few essential elements: future husband, future wife, two parents times two, that is 4.